If you're looking to take your marketing to the next level, knowing how to create and manage smart content rules in HubSpot can make a huge difference. By the end of this video, you'll be able to personalize your site pages, landing pages, and emails for different audiences, giving every visitor a custom experience that resonates with them. Let's jump right into the process, step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the piece of content you want to make smarter. In your HubSpot account, think of your content library as a big digital toolbox. You'll go to Marketing, then choose your specific asset, such as email or website pages, or maybe landing pages. Find the one you want to work on and click Edit. This is your starting point, and it's where all the magic begins. If you're not sure what to make smart first, a homepage, a promo email, or a sign-up page are great candidates since they tend to have diverse audiences. Next, look carefully at your content layout and decide which part you actually want to personalize. This is known as the module, and it could be a chunk of text, an image, or even a call to action button. Click directly on the element you want to make smart. It's a little bit like highlighting a sentence in a book that you want to rewrite for different readers. By picking the right module, you're zeroing in on what matters most for each segment of your audience. Now, let's add a smart rule. In HubSpot's editor, glance over at the sidebar and hunt for the Smart Rules section. Once you spot it, click Add or Make Smart, depending on which option pops up. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find. Sometimes the sidebar menus can be a bit crowded, but once you start using smart content rules regularly, it'll become second nature. This brings us to the heart of the process, defining your rule. In the Manage Smart Rules window, you'll see a drop-down menu with different categories, like device type, country, or contact list membership. Choose one based on what fits your marketing goal. For instance, maybe you want to show a special image only to visitors from Australia, or display a different headline for people opening your newsletter on mobile. Selecting the right category helps you target the right users, tailoring the experience so visitors feel you understand their needs. After you define your rule, it's time to set up your variations. Imagine you're cooking for guests with different tastes. You'll prepare a few versions of the same dish. For every rule you want, create a distinct variation, perhaps one for mobile users, another for desktop, or for different countries or membership lists. Take your time here. Each variation ensures your message reaches its intended audience in the best way possible. Next comes customizing the content within each variation. The editor should show you the specific version you're working with, so you can adjust text, swap out images, or tweak your call to action as needed. This step is all about making each variation feel intentional and relevant. If you ever feel a bit stuck, remember you can preview how each version will look before saving, so don't hesitate to experiment. Once everything looks good, all you need to do is click Save. This locks in all your smart rules and the variations you've created. It's a good habit to double-check your changes, just to make sure every audience gets the right customized message. Now, managing your smart content rules is just as important as creating them. When you're working with emails, for example, go to Marketing, then Email, hover over your email, and select Edit. In the editor, head over to the Settings tab, look for the Subject Line section, and click Manage Smart Rules. If you're working with other assets like landing pages or site content, open the editor and find the Add Smart Rule button in the left panel. If a module is already smart, you'll see a Manage Smart Rules option in the sidebar next to its settings, making it easy to update things down the line. And that's it. You've unlocked the power of smart content in HubSpot. Personalizing your content not only boosts engagement, it helps build trust with your audience, whether they're longtime customers or brand new visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, leave your questions or experiences in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on marketing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.